Welcome back, passive travelers. So today I'm going to talk about two different cards. The Navy Federal Credit Union Flagship card versus the Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards card. Let's get started. So the first card that I want to talk about today is the Navy Federal Credit Union Flagship card. So this card currently comes with a sign-up bonus of 40,000 points, which is worth about $400 for travel or cash back if you spend $3,500 in the first 90 days. Now, this is the current offering as of making this video. The sign-up bonus also offers Amazon Prime free for 1 year. This card does have an annual fee. The annual fee is $49. And the points multipliers are, you get 3x points per dollar spent on travel and 2x points back on everything else. This also has a statement credit for TSA PreCheck or global entry. And this also offers worldwide automatic travel accident insurance and emergency insurance. Now, this is perfect for those who plan on traveling and if you plan on using this as a catch-all card. And let's talk about our second credit card, the Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards card. So currently, as making this video, this comes with a sign-up bonus of 30,000 points worth $300 if you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. This is based on the current offerings of making this video. Now, this card has no annual fee. It offers 3x per dollar spent on restaurants, food delivery, supermarkets, gas, and transit. And you get 1x on everything else. This is a cashback card, so you can only use it for cashback, not for travel or anything else. And this card also has a one-time $98 statement credit when you pay $49 or more on an annual Walmart Plus membership. Now, for this card, this is perfect for those who do not want an annual fee, who want cash back. Also, someone who will use this card for food, gas, and transit. These categories are amazing categories. And it's really cool that you have all of these categories all in one card. Now, both of these credit cards also have low APR on balance transfers. These are both really good card options. And which card would I choose? Me personally, I choose both. I like the flexibility of getting 3x for travel and 2x for catch-all on the flagship, and then of course on the More Rewards I'm getting 3x on food delivery, restaurants, supermarkets, and also gas in transit. Now, something I didn't mention about the flagship card is you can get a credit limit of up to $80,000 on that card. Now, if you are still wanting the flagship card but your credit is not the best, what you can always do is go with a More Rewards card or the Platinum card or another card offered through a Navy Federal Credit Union. Within a year, you can always product change to the flagship card. That's actually what I did back when I was working on my credit. So this is just something to think about in case you really want the flagship card and are having troubles applying for it and getting approved for it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when a new video comes out. If you know anyone that may find this information helpful, please share this video with them. Lastly, if you're interested in applying for a new credit card, I did include some referral links in the description below. If you use one of my links, it would definitely help out the channel. Till next time, keep traveling with plastic.